The 7 continents. Asia. Asia has over 4.7 billion people, making it the most populous continent. It's the world's largest continent, covering about 44.58 million square kilometers. Asia is linguistically diverse, with thousands of languages spoken. Asia has a rich cultural history, art, philosophy, and architecture. Africa. Africa has over 1.3 billion people, making it the second most populous continent. It's the world's second largest continent, covering about 30.37 million square kilometers. Africa is linguistically diverse, with over 2,000 different languages spoken. It has a rich cultural history with a legacy of art, music, dance, and oral traditions. North America. North America has a population of approximately 579 million people. It covers about 24.71 million square kilometers, making it the third largest continent. English, Spanish, and French are the predominant languages spoken. It is a melting pot of cultures, home to people from various ethnic backgrounds. South America. South America has a population of approximately 430 million people. It covers about 17.84 million square kilometers, making it the fourth largest continent. Portuguese, Spanish, and other indigenous languages are widely spoken. Rich in heritage, with a blend of indigenous, European, and African influences. Antarctica. Antarctica is not permanently inhabited by humans. It has only research stations with a fluctuating population. In terms of area, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, covering about 14 million square kilometers. Despite its extreme conditions, Antarctica hosts various species, including penguins, seals, and seabirds. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, with temperatures dropping as low as -80 degrees Celsius. Europe. Europe is the third most populous continent, with over 740 million people. It is the second smallest continent, covering about 10.18 million square kilometers. Europe is incredibly linguistically diverse, with over 200 different languages spoken. Europe is often considered the cradle of Western civilization. Australia. Australia has over 25 million people, making it one of the least populous continents. Australia is the smallest continent, covering about 7.7 million square kilometers. Australian English is the most widely spoken language and is the official language. Australia is home to a rich indigenous culture with diverse communities.